Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Today, we can revise one important topic in maths. Today's topic is adding and subtracting integers. This we already studied in grade 7, semester 2. We can revise this topic today. What do we already know? What is this given here? This is called number line. What is positive integers? Positive integers are on the right side of 0. This is the number line here and this is 0. And positive integers means the integers on the numbers on the right side of 0. These all are positive integers. One example I wrote here, that is 4. Then, what are negative integers? Negative integers are on the left side of 0. This is 0 and negative integers are on the left side of 0. One example is minus 4. So, please keep this in your mind. Positive integers means the numbers on the right side of 0 and negative integer means the numbers on the left side of 0. This means that they are opposites. That means positive integers and negative integers are opposites. So, what is the answer for minus 3 plus 3? If they are opposites means minus 3 plus 3 is 0. And what is minus 4 plus 4? That also 0. And minus 5 plus 5, what is the answer? That also 0. You know how to plot an expression on the number line and find the difference, right? One example I wrote here. We want to find 5 plus minus 2, how much? How we can find? What is step 1? First, you want to plot the first integer on the number line. And step 2 is plot the second integer on the number line beginning where the last number left off. Here, what is the first integer? First integer is 5. So, first plot 5. After that, plot the second integer on the number line beginning where the last number left off. Here, the last number left off here. The second number is negative. Negative means we want to go to left. So, minus 2 means go 2 places to the left. So, what is the answer? 5 plus minus 2 is 3. Next, we want to find minus 3 plus minus 1. Step 1, we want to plot the first integer on the number line. That means minus 3 here. After that, where we left off, from there we want to plot the second integer. First plot minus 3. Here it is minus means we want to move to left. And the next number also minus. So we want to move one place to the left. So what is the answer? Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. You already learned that subtracting a negative integer gives the same solution as adding its opposites. This we already studied. For example, subtracting a negative integer, that means 5 minus minus 3, it is same as adding its opposites. So 5 minus minus 3, which is equal to 5 plus 3, that is equal to 8. Next, we can revise some important vocabulary related to this topic. Define integers. Integers means a positive or negative number. Second, define a positive integer. Positive integer means whole numbers to the right of 0. Whole numbers to the right of 0 are called positive integers. Next, define a negative integer. Whole numbers to the left of 0 are called negative integers. So, what are integers? Integers means a positive or negative number. What is positive integer? Positive integer means whole numbers to the right of 0. Next is negative integer. Negative integer means whole numbers to the left of 0. Next, define absolute value. Absolute value means what? The distance from 0 is called absolute value. Plot each of the integer below on a number line and then tell the absolute value of each. Absolute value means the distance from 0. That means without the sign we want to say the answer. Here first number is -1. So -1 means what is the distance from 0? 1 unit to the left, right? So the absolute value of -1 is 1. What is the absolute value of 2? 2 means 2 units to the right from 0, right? So the absolute value of 2 is 2. Then what is the absolute value of -5? -5 means this is negative, right? So we want to move to left. That means 5 places to the left from 0. So what is the distance from 0? 5 unit. So the absolute value of -5 is 5. You already learned that subtracting a negative integer gives the same solution as adding its opposite. Next, to help predict whether the sum of two integers will be positive or negative, we can use some rules. I will explain the rules in the next slides. The first variation. We want to find the sum of 2 and 7 positive or negative. Here the two integers are positive. So the sum of two positive integers, positive or negative. What is the rule? The sum of two positive integers is always positive. Please keep this rule in your mind. The sum of two positive integers is always positive. For example, here 2 plus 7. We want to find 2 plus 7. First in the number line, plot the first number, 2. 2 is positive, so we want to move to right. Next integer is 7. 7 also positive. So from here we want to move 7 unit to the right. So move 7 unit to the right, and what is the answer? 9. The answer is 9, and the sum of 2 and 7 is positive. Second variation. Is the sum of -2 and -7 positive or negative? Here two negative integers are given. So what is the rule? The sum of two negative integers is always negative. So please keep that rule in your mind. The sum of two negative integers is always negative. Here we want to find the value of -2 plus -7, how much? These integers are negative, so we want to move left from 0. So first move 2 places to the left because the number is -2, and the second number is -7 means from here we want to move 7 units to the left. So move 7 units to the left, and what is the answer? The answer is -9. The answer is -9. And the sum of -2 and -7 is negative. Next, is the sum of -2 and 7 positive or negative? We know sum of two positive integers are always positive and the sum of two negative integers are always negative. But here the third case is one number is negative and the second number is positive. So how we can find the sum of the answer is positive or negative? The rule is the sum of a positive integer and a negative integer will have the same sign as the integer with greater absolute value. You know absolute value what? Absolute value means we want to say without signature, right? So what is the absolute value of -2? 2. What is the absolute value of +7? 7. So which number is great? 2 or 7? Which is great? 7 is greater, right? So here the answer is positive because big number has the sign positive. The sum of a positive integer and a negative integer will have the same sign as the integer with greater absolute value. Here positive number has the greater absolute value, so the answer should be positive. So first number is -2. So since it is minus, we want to move to left, 2 places to the left. And the second number is positive. Positive means we want to move to right. So here we left off, and from there we want to move 7 places to the right. So what is the answer? +5. The answer is 5, and the solution is the sum of -2 and 7 is positive. The rule is sum of two positive integers is positive, right? So here the example is 1 plus 4. First plot 1 and second plot 4. So what is the answer of 1 plus 4? 1 plus 4 is 5. The sum of 1 and 4 is positive. Next we want to find 5 plus 3 how much? Two positive integers. First plot the number 5. After that plot the number 3. And what is the answer? 8. The sum of 5 and 3 also positive because here the two integers are positive and the answer also positive. Then we want to find 7 plus 3 how much? First plot 7 and after 3 and the 7 plus 3 is 10 and the sum of 7 and 3 is positive. Next, the sum of two negative integers is negative. Negative means we want to plot to left of 0, right? Here we want to find -2 plus -3 how much? First 2 places to the left and after that 3 places to the left. What is the answer? -2 minus 3 is -2 plus -3 is -5. The sum of -2 and -3 is negative. Next we want to find -1 plus -4 how much? We know sum of two negative integers is negative, right? First move 1 place to the left. After we want to move 4 places to the left. So what is the answer here? -1 plus -4, that also negative. -1 plus -4 is -5. So sum of two negative integers is always negative. Next we want to find -4 plus -6 how much? Here the two integers given are negative numbers, right? So what should be the answer? The answer should also negative. First plot -4, that means 4 places to the left. After that from there we want to move 6 places to the left. So what is the answer? -4 plus -6, which is -10. So sum of -6 and -4 is negative. That means sum of two negative integers is always negative. So what is a whole number to the right of 0? The whole numbers to the right of 0 is positive integer. What is a whole number to the left of 0? A whole number to the left of 0 is called negative integer. What is the distance from 0 is called? The distance from 0 is called absolute value. Thank you. I will be back with another topic.